Hi, I'm showing you this Splat mat. This is you can put under the chair for the kids, or you can take it outdoor, or or while playing the kids, so that they will not mess it up with the floor. And this is really handy, and you can see that it comes with the pouch to carry this. This is of the same fabric and color as of the mat, so this is really cool. There's a zipper and the handle so that you can carry it anywhere. So let me just take out the Splat mat and show you how this look. So as you can see, this Splat mat is of like the same fabric as the cover itself, and the stitching is really nice. You can see that there is no issue with that stitching and the quality of this Splat mat. And you can see in the back there is a, like for the grip, there is a rubbery back so that the mat will not slip. So even the color and the shade of this slip mat is also nice. So this is actually durable, lightweight, portable, easy to clean, easy to wash. You can also wash it in the machine, like the washing machine, and it's non-slippery, so it's good for any floor. So this is how this look when I open it completely. This is around 51 inches to 46 inches. So you can see that from the top it looks good, and from the grip side that it will hold on the floor. I will try to put some water, let's say like if something spill on it, so put some water and just see, just to spread it. It is not going into the fabric, so this is a treated waterproof fabric, and I will just wipe it off to clean it. It take up all the water, and the mat itself is not dry, so it's a quick dry mat and is easy like with the water spill and anything. So it's pretty good, like for the kids want to play, or like the craft thing, or drinking or eating, or you can put it outside when you're going for any outdoor or picnic thing. So this mat can be used in any place. So this is the whole mat that looks like. It's pretty nice size that 2 or 3 people or 4 people can easily sit and eat, or they can play, the kids can play on it.